governor of allegedly autonomous region Xinjiang, Shorat Zakir, denies the existence of concentration camps by declaring them as boarding schools. Inmates are supposed to learn a trade which they can perform once they finished. Despite international critics, currently more than 3 million Uyghur people are being interned. As part of the Silk Road project, China aspires to create a whole new city in Myanmar, near the city Yangon. For now, $1.5 billion are earmarked for this project. Myanmar's regional media reported that China's construction company wasn't holding on to made agreements in Bangladesh, the Philippines, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Kenya and Tanzania. Together with Ömer Bekali, an activist, a delegation of the Uyghur World Congress visited German Foreign Ministry. There, they were received by Dr. Barber, responsible for governmental human rights. With him, the visit spoke about the situation in East Turkestan. In Canada, Rukiye Turdush, also an Uyghur activist, answered questions about the concentration camps. The Chinese want to raise their JF-17 Block III version to the level of American F-16 V-jets. In Pakistan, the JF-17 Block III will be mass-produced from the end of 2019 using Chinese technology and will be delivered from 2021 onwards. The Israeli police stormed the Dome of the Rock, locked the exits, and attacked imams, visitors and servants. This is reported by the speaker of the Jerusalem Muslim Foundation's Firas Deeps.